Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn what a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater and cap. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 6 rows. Repeat pattern cast on multiple of 7 plus 4 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 7 plus 4 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 20 stitches on my needle, 14 stitches, multiple of 7, 2 times 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 plus 4 extra stitches 18 and plus 2 edge stitches 20. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge and knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. In this row pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Pull 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back. Now make an extra stitch from third hole. This is 1, 2, 3. Insert this needle from this hole and make an extra stitch. Knit 1, again make an extra stitch from same hole. Knit 1, 2, one more time make an extra stitch from same hole. Knit 1, 3. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 4 3 times, make an extra stitch and knit 1, 2, 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So one more time. Yarn in front, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn in back, make an extra stitch from third hole. This is 1, 2, 3. Insert this needle from this hole and make an extra stitch. Knit 1, again make an extra stitch from same hole. Knit 1, 2, one more time make an extra stitch from same hole. Knit 1, 3. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern. Last 5 stitches. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row wrong side. Slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn in front, purl 1, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, 2, purl 1, slip 1, 3. That's our repeat from here to here. knit 4, 3 times, purl 1, slip 1, 1, 2, 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So one more time, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front, 3 times, purl 1, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, 1, purl 1, slip 1, 2, purl 1, slip 1, 3. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern, last 5 stitches, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Purl edge from wrong side. Now this is 5th row, right side. Slip end, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back. Now 3 times, knit together from back loop. For this, twist this first stitch, take the stitch on your left needle and knit together from back loop. 1, again twist this first stitch and take the stitch on your left needle, knit together from back loop. 2, twist this stitch, take the stitch on your left needle and knit together from back loop. 3. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 4, 3 times, knit together from back loop, 1, 2, 3. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So one more time, yarn in front, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in back, knit together from back loop 3 times, knit together from back loop, 1, twist this stitch and knit together from back loop, 2, twist this stitch, knit together from back loop, 3. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern, last 5 stitches, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit edge from right side. 5th row is complete. Now 6th row, wrong side, purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. 6th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from 1st row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of hand. If you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.